Hello everybody. Kapag nagre-renew tayo ng PCO accreditation sa DNR EMB Regional Office, nagpapasa tayo ng mga pertinent requirements. Ngayon, pagka meron pong na-receive na notice of violation ang company na nire-represent ng isang pollution control officer, as part of the renewal requirement, yung ating pong tinatawag na affidavit of commitment. Ano po ba ang itsura ng affidavit of commitment? As shown on the screen is the joint affidavit of commitment that is being submitted to EMB Regional Office during renewal of application, especially for companies who receive notice of violation. Sa panahon ng isang PCO na ngayon ay nagre-renew ng kanya accreditation at sa panahon niyang yon na nakareceive ng notice of violation ng company. So, paano mag-prepare ng joint affidavit of commitment? Ito yung sample. Republic of the Philippines, City of kung saan tayo nagpapanotaryo. The joint affidavit of commitment. So, meron tayo ditong we, um, the two responsible officers of the company with respect to environmental compliance. So we have here we, Peter Pan of legal age, Filipino, a resident of, for example, Barangay Alangilan, Batangas City, Batangas. And the managing head of ABC Company Inc., example lamang na company, located at Barangay Balagtas, Batangas City, Batangas. And dahil ito nga ay joint affidavit of commitment, mayroon tayong and the name of the pollution control officer, Juan de la Cruz of legal age, Filipino, a resident of Barangay Masaya, Batangas City, Batangas. And the appointed or designated pollution control officer of ABC Company Inc. After being sworn to in accordance with law, do hereby depose and say that number one, we commit to ensure compliance with the requirements of PD 1586, RA 6969, RA 8749, RA 9003, RA 9275, their respective implementing rules and regulations, and other pertinent rules and regulations. And number two, we are executing this affidavit to attest to the foregoing statements and to comply with the DNR requirements for PCO accreditation pursuant to DOW 2014-02. Done this 5th day of December 2024 in Batangas City, Batangas. We need to print this affidavit of commitment and have this affidavit signed by the managing head and the pollution control officer in the person of Peter Pan and Juan de la Cruz, and then subject for notary. So itong notarized joint affidavit of commitment will be uploaded sa PCO online accreditation system. Ano po? So yun pong renewal requirements for PCO accreditation. Among many requirements, lalong-lalo doon sa may na-receive na notice of violation sa kanyang panahon bilang PCO at ngayon ay magre-renew, kailangan magpasa ng Joint Affidavit of Commitment. Dito po sa pco.emb.gov.ph Pollution Control Officer Online Accreditation System. So again, this is the sample of a joint affidavit of commitment. Pakita ulit natin yung joint affidavit of commitment. Yan. Tatlong importanteng bagay, una yung mga responsible officers na nandito sa affidavit. Malinaw sila yung managing head at PCO. Pangalawa, yung commitment to ensure compliance to the requirements of major environmental laws. At pangatlo, dapat ito ay signed and notarized. So, yun lamang po at mabuhay tayong lahat. God bless us all.